I hear it running. So that tells me it's in lockout mode. Just I hear it running. So let's see. Pad down. All right. So, recall on this on the blower motor. I see you got a bull hooked up installed. So I don't think that's the issue. Look at the switch. Make sure the wires on the tight. I'm just gonna he said that he told me that once he took the door off and put it back on, it came back on. So that tells me that it went into a lockout mode. So what I'm thinking is the flame sensor switch went out for a minute. So that need cleaning. So let me clean that right quick. So type of let's see. Let's see. Put that back. Set that tight. All right. I'll get them turned back on and see what happens. Show y'all what I did. Y'all see the two wires right here? Both of them blue. That's why you gotta pay close attention. It's easy to get them cross over. So make sure you know where they're going. So. Got water leaking right here. Show y'all something. Y'all pay attention to everything. Y'all see these rust right here? See all that rust? You know, they come off. Make sure it's clean. You know, it's a new unit, so I don't think I need to look at that. That's your pressure switch. Look inside of here. Make sure it's not rusted. So that look good to me. So let's put that back on now. All right, I'm gonna tighten that up. That's why it's important for you to get a tune-up. You know, you get a tune-up, you can catch stuff like that. Looking around, put that back, make sure that's tight. You got two pressure switches on here because it's like a 90, it's like a high efficiency furnace. So they come with two pressure switches for the operation. So let's see. Everything is good. Let me start it up again. Make sure it come back on. Filter. Filter look good. On pretty good. All right, y'all. All right, I think we're good now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken care of, and thanks for watching.